In this video, we'll explore subassemblies and the assembly tree in CustomBooks. If you haven't already watched our video on creating an assembly item in CustomBooks, we recommend starting there for a solid foundation. CustomBooks enables you to use an assembly item as a component within another assembly. For example, in this video, we'll look at a fuel injector assembly where one of the components is an injector body. On the Open tab, we have the injector body item displayed. The Assembly tab here shows the items that make up this assembly. When we switch back to the tab for the fuel injector assembly and click the Assembly Build Tree button, it displays all the items required for the assembly. In this view, you'll see the injector body listed along with the components needed to build it, providing a comprehensive view of everything required to complete the assembly, including any necessary subassemblies. When working with subassemblies, it's important to ensure those items are built before assembling the final product. For instance, if there are no injector bodies in stock, you would first need to create an assembly build for those before building the fuel injector assembly. However, if you have the Allow Auto Assembly option enabled, CustomBooks will automatically build the subassemblies as part of the assembly process. This feature saves time as you only need to enter one assembly build, provided all the components for both the assembly and subassemblies are in stock. Start streamlining your assembly process with subassemblies in CustomBooks today.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other videos. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up on all the latest news on CustomBooks.